一分耕耘一分收穫，一分耕耘一分收穫。
It is another good idiom to motivate people to work hard. It means more you sow, more you reap. The equivalent idiom in English is no pain, no gain. You can just simply use it or add more words like
一分耕耘一分收穫，最後一定會有好成績嘅。一分耕耘一分收穫，最後一定會有好成績嘅。
In English, it means more you sow, more you reap. In the end, you will surely get a good result. There is another similar idiom in English. It is from Bible. Those who sow with tears will reap with songs of joy. The Chinese version is
流淚撒種的，必歡呼收割。流淚撒種的，必歡呼收割。
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.